How to service Hisense air conditioning yourself. Alright, so the first step is to simply turn off the prep. So simply switch off your power and then unplug it from any outlets by placing a towel below it to catch drips, and your AC should be turned off for your safety. Now the second option is to simply clean the filters. So you're going to have to follow these steps to keep your AC working great. So clean the filters by opening the AC cover, removing the air filters, vacuum or rinse with water. The vacuum and rinsing would really help with the filters. As it dries completely, just slide it back in. This would fix about 70% of your cases. Now you could also unclog the drain pipe. So find the PVC drain pipe, which is usually outside of your home. Insert a thin brush to remove any blockages, or turn in some warm water to remove any spillage, and then blow air through or flush the pipe. For heavy clogs, you could use a wet or dry vacuum cleaner to take out or suck out everything. And then you could fix and clean the indoor coils by lifting up the cover to access the evaporator coils. Spray foam coil cleaner, no bleach, and then let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. Wipe the dirt using a cloth. Now clean the indoor coils the same way you did before, regularly, so you can maintain the cleanness of the coils. And also clean the outdoor unit itself by switching it off and unplugging the unit. Vacuum the vents first and then spray with hose, gentle pressure, and then clean the fan blades and surrounding area. Alright,